And now it's time for the Sea Lions Blast. Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lions Blast.
Run Seal Beach and McGaw Elementary want to congratulate Isabella, Courtney, and first place winner James Pearson for their winning submissions for the t-shirt contest. Way to go!
I am Sea Lion leader Andrew Katz.
And I am Sea Lion leader Mick Harris, and here are this week's announcements.
The PTA book fair is now open. Students can visit the book fair at lunch or recess. Monday through Friday, each class will have a chance to visit sometime this week.
Valentine grams are on sale at the lunch benches before and after school from Monday through Thursday. Surprise that special person with a Valentine gram.
Violin rehearsal is on Monday after school.
Support the school by dining for McGaw at Domino's Pizza on Tuesday.
Violin rehearsal is on Tuesday after school.
The new climbing structure opens this week for grades 2 through 5. We will have an outdoor assembly to discuss how to be safe on the new playground.
Sea Lion Chorus rehearsal is on Wednesday at 1:20 p.m.
Your last chance to get Valentine grams is on Thursday morning at the lunch benches.
Dr. Andrew Powell will be visiting McGaw on Thursday morning. Let's show him our wild behavior.
Astronomy and STEM night is on Thursday from 5:30 to 7:30. Bring the family to look at outer space with high-powered telescopes.
Here's a reminder that 5th grade poems for the Seal Beach Women's Club are due on Friday.
Sea Lion Awards on Friday. Congratulations to all our sea lions who are getting an award.
President's Week is finally here. There is no school from Monday, February 16th through Friday, February 20th. We'll see you on campus on the 23rd.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
You heard it right, students. The new climbing structure is going to open later this week for grades 2, 3, 4, and 5 only. Let's go over some rules and expectations so that you can have a safe and fun time here on the new playground. The first rule is that there are no more than 8 people on the structure at a time. Students are expected to wait in a single line while others are playing on the structure. When you enter onto the structure, you got to make sure that you go all the way up and then come all the way down. When you're on the structure, you got to make sure that you're not sitting, bouncing, or flipping. And finally, you have to exit the structure safely. Please, no jumping on the structure itself or jumping from the structure onto the ground. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's be safe on the new playground structure and have a good time. Special thanks to the PTA and all of our parent donations to help make this a reality. We appreciate you.
We got a Robux.
All right.
UTK.
It's time to celebrate this week's Robux winners. First up, congratulations to UTK student Sean McQuaid. Miss Jamie said that Sean saw a problem and was quick to solve it. He was aware of the situation and he did the right thing. Way to go, Sean.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Fox wants to celebrate kindergarten student Royal Ruiz. She said that Royal is always ready to learn. She sets a great example all the time. Way to go, Royal.
First grade.
Let's celebrate first grader Avalon Post. Miss Leanne noticed that Avalon was out there during lunch picking up trash to make sure that the school by the sea was as beautiful as it could be. Thanks so much, Avalon.
Second grade.
Miss Angela wants to celebrate second grader Nolan Demore. She said that Nolan stopped to pick up some trash that was blowing around on the field without being asked. Great job, Nolan. Thanks so much for taking care of our school.
Third grade.
Miss Espinosa wants to celebrate third grader Grayson Cabasa. She said that she caught Grayson walking from the tables to the bathroom and he was picking up trash along the way. Thanks again, Grayson, for being a part of the crew that cares about our school.
Fourth grade.
We're all excited to celebrate 4th grader Dimitri Ragias. It says here that Dimitri was being so responsible and flexible this morning. He took responsibility for makeup work and he got it all done. Thanks so much, Dimitri, for taking charge of your learning.
5th grade.
And finally, we're going to end with a great example. In 5th grader Lily Nomavuka, it says that Lily was so kind and helpful to a student that needed some help. So she stayed after school to make sure that he was okay. We appreciate you, Lily. You do great things each and every day.
That's a wrap, Sea Lions, and have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.